Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a device to the Aura Labs app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got an Aura Labs backlight TV. How do you actually go ahead and add it to your app? So first things first, let's make sure that the backlight is actually turned on. Next, go ahead and turn on Bluetooth on your phone and make sure that you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Now, once you install the app, this is what the homepage is going to look like. Click on the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner, then click on Add Device. Now, it's going to search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Make sure that your backlight is plugged in or your floor lamp is plugged in, and you should automatically be able to find it here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a device to the Aura Labs app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.